In this video, I'll show you how to view and download AAA auto insurance policy. And if you're new to AAA, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. To start, open the website, acg.aaa.com. Then click on Sign In. Next, on the fields provided, enter your user ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on the tab that says Manage AAA Insurance. Then on the drop-down list, click on the option that says View Policy Documents. Next, click on the auto policy you wish to view. On this page, you will see the list of your auto policy documents. Click on Auto Insurance Policy. Here you will see your automobile insurance policy. To download, click on the download icon at the upper right corner of the screen. That's how you view and download your AAA auto insurance policy. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.